If you have not watched Part 1, which deals with what does not work in Excel security, see the link below. Now let's explore more robust defenses for native Excel files that offer greater security. 1. Encrypted workbooks are secure, but sharing an encrypted workbook password means relinquishing full control over the file and content access, meaning you cannot use it to share only part of the data in the file. Another pitfall with workbook encryption is that Microsoft does not offer password recovery options for desktop applications, so make sure your passwords are safely stored. 2. VBA obfuscation. Obfuscation involves transforming the VBA source code in such a way that it remains functionally equivalent but becomes difficult for humans to read and understand. Ensure you use high-quality obfuscation to avoid the pitfalls of weaker methods. Not all VBA obfuscation methods are born equal. Unfortunately, some companies exploit consumer unfamiliarity to sell lightweight obfuscation, which can be easily reversed. 3. Invisible VBA modules. This method makes your modules completely absent from the standard programming interface, adding an extra layer of security. Invisible VBA modules is not built in Microsoft Excel. Remember, the security of your valuable information is only as strong as the protections you use. Combining multiple security strategies is crucial to make it as hard as possible to penetrate. Don't let your guard down. Upgrade your Excel security today with Excel Armor and protect what matters most.